Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm from the Discovery Program at Ontario Parks. And I'm here today to tell you about an app called iNaturalist. It's free, you just have to download it, make an account, and start taking pictures. Congratulations! You've just joined the largest community of naturalists in the world. Now on my walk today, I found this plant and I'm not exactly sure what it is. So we're gonna go to my iNaturalist app here and go down to Observe and snap a picture. You can upload this later if you don't have data, and then you're gonna go to View Suggestions and it'll give you a list of what this species might be. It could be a squill, and we can share it. And then other community members, naturalists, ecologists, they can confirm your observation, and then you can learn about your species. You've just made a research-grade observation that contributes to an international biodiversity database powered by community science. Could there be an easier tool to learn about our environment, see what other people have observed, and connect with other nature lovers? Let us know your favorite new observation in the comments. Happy exploring!